Hi, welcome to my channel about embedded systems, electronics, fischertechnik and robotics. This video is about my fischertechnik made hydraulics set. On the left side the automated part using Linux and Python, and on the right side from here is the manually operated part. This is another video on, well, after Montfoort convention, because it went wrong here. Several times during the demonstration on the convention it went wrong, and it went wrong somewhere here, and why it went wrong I don't know, but I want to find out, because what happened was that the screw pump divided, and that had as an outcome that this was still running and this was absolutely disconnected. Why does it happen? I have no clue. So I'm going to run it again and see whatever happens. And by the way, usually I start videos with other camera so you can get a full view. That camera is broken, objective has gone beyond repair. In a few days I have a new part, so I can do that again. Until then I have to use the screencast entirely, because otherwise I can't do anything. Anyway, back to testing. So here the code obviously. Let's run and see whatever happens here. The rest is not really important. And here something happens again. And this time I am in time to press things. And this is the first time since the convention that I'm using this system. So now let's see if things work out nicely. No, it doesn't. So I think I need to fix this as well. That one is working. Anything else that is not working properly? That was a problem. See, this was too close there. So now the whole situation has changed. This is a lot better. What that noise is I don't know, but anyway this is much better now. I have to take a good look at it, that's for sure. The hindsight, or more probably this part, is functioning properly. So far so good. And I just found out what the humming is coming from. This propeller. So yeah, that's clear. It's running nicely, and obviously when I take away or remove this piston, and now I'm doing something very bad. Of course this has to be there. And this is not working. So this is not good at all. This is not functioning at all at the moment. Alright, so once again I have to help it by hand, and now it stops. And it did work nice at the convention, so why it doesn't do it now? I'm pressing, alright, way too much air now. So I'm helping it, and there it goes. So yeah, that's a problem. But the problem that I am trying to replicate is not happening right now, as you will always see. So after almost 15 minutes it goes wrong. And the question is, why does it go wrong? And just like at the convention, I have no clue, it just happens. Is it just as simple to fix? Not quite sure. And this seems to be a little bit different as well from the problem at the convention. Now it's fixed. So in here there's something going wrong with the screw. Turning it back into the mechanism, I can easily fix it. Let's start again. And it's functional again, as far as I can tell for now. Alright, so that means that for some reason, if something runs longer than 10 minutes or so, things may go wrong. Is it fixable? Maybe, because here obviously is a break in, or the axle that is in the center of the screw pump is not continuous. Here's an end of it, so maybe if I replace it by a longer axle, then who knows, it happens again or not, but that remains to be seen. Using a longer axle, it comes all the way up to here, and that would certainly fix the breakout here, but it would require, if I hold it just parallel to it, if I can, then it would require that this would be modified, reconstructed, or I can take off one, and then you can see how long the axle should be and would be reaching. So it would require a real modification, reconstruction. Do I want that? I'm not quite sure. Do I have the material? Not quite sure either. Anyway, the question is, why does it happen anyway? I can't tell. Because if it takes 15 minutes just going up and down and then it suddenly breaks, why? Anyway, what it comes down to is that I managed to reproduce the break, and the question remains still, do I fix it or not, if it takes such a long time to break out, and I'm delaying that to next video. For now, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, click the bell for notification, and you can support via PayPal, Ko-fi, and by becoming a patron. Please see my website for more information listed under the video, and you can also follow me via Twitter and Instagram. For now, have a great day, stay safe, take care, bye.